Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate message on Instagram. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. So I'm going to click on this icon and for example, I'm going to translate message from this account. Okay, as you can see that the message is in Indonesian language and I'm going to translate it to English. If I want to translate message, we just need to tap and hold on the message until all of these options appear. And as you can see, we have translate option here and you can click on translate to translate the message. Okay, and wait. All right, and this is the English translation from this message, and you can hide the translation after you get it. Okay, if you want to get back the translation, just click on show translation, and I'm going to try to send message. Wait, and I'm going to translate my own message. Okay, I'm going to tap and hold on my message and we just need to click on translate. And this is the translation of my own message. And you can change the language, guys, the translation language. So basically, the translation language is depending on the language you have applied to your Instagram. And my Instagram is in English, so the message will be automatically translated to English. If we want to change it, we can go to our setting and activity on Instagram. I'm going to open up my profile first and we can click on these three lines on the top right and we can scroll down until we find the language. Okay, right here, tap on the language and you can change the app language here and it will affect the translation language. For example, I'm using English, so my message will be translated to English. Okay, and if you want to translate to another language, just select the language here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to translate message on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.